How to hard reset Realme 14x 5G. Step 1. First, press and hold the power key to turn off your device. Step 2. Next, simultaneously press and hold both the volume down and power buttons for a few seconds. Step 3. After a brief moment, the language menu will appear. Choose the English option. Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.